Hey guys, so massive news. Donald Trump just postponed the tariffs for 90 days, except China. He's still fighting with China because China is not backing down. And here I actually predicted this because it's not about tariffs, it's about making new deals with every country. And even if he's making deals with 3 or 4 main European countries or India, or just big countries, it is a big deal for USA, and he has a book Art of a Deal. That's why I'm not surprised that he's basically making deals. He loves that thing. Next thing, here you can see he actually tweeted this on his Truth Social that this is a great time to buy 4 hours before the main pump happened when he announced the 90-day pause on tariffs. So if you didn't buy, I'm sorry for you. But those that buy and believe this, you basically now can enjoy gains. Here you can see Bitcoin is basically up 82,000 right now. Hopefully it will go much higher because looking at the day when the tariffs were announced, we were at 88,000. So hopefully we will go back to 90,000, which I doubt. I think we still have a full April to go until we see some huge gains. Now the stock market at a 3.5 trillion today, which is insane. Next thing, Donald Trump. This already I showed you. Now let's talk about the meme coins that I'm really bullish on, and I think will be listed on Coinbase. And what I'm talking about specifically is BaseGod. BaseGod also pumping by 20%. It will most likely go higher if the Bitcoin goes higher. Now, why? I know that this will be listed on Coinbase. Now, this is not a financial advice. This is just my research. Here you can see Jesse Pollack actually has tweeted about TYBG or just TYBG or replied to TYBG meme coin more than 20 times. He has also spoken about this meme coin on like 6 different podcasts that one of his friends is really bullish. Making this coin, and he has just talked about this TYBG multiple times. And similar to Dog in Me or Toshi, after it will be announced on the roadmap or on Coinbase, it will do, I think, 6x, maybe 10x, because let's see. This was basically when Dog in Me was announced on the roadmap. Here you can see in the market cap, it went from 11 million. So before the announcement, some whale bought, and it went basically 3x from these lows. So you could get 3x. After that, you could get 2x more. So from the lows, this is 6x. And after the listing, it went to 100 million. So if you look at this, it basically went from 10 million to 100 million, 10x in a quite bad market, because this coin was listed only on April 2nd, right in the day when Trump announced the tariffs. That's why this is one of the worst listings in history of listings on Coinbase. I don't know who thought that this will be a great idea. That's why I'm really sad that this didn't work out as I thought it will. Even 300-400 million market would be quite nice, but I'm still hoping for TYBG. That's why I'm holding right now. I think there's a high chance it will be listed. I think Benji will be listed as well. And in the last hour, it has went up 33%. I think this is the biggest gainer in meme coins. So if you look on the whole market, gainers and losers, this should be quite high. So there are actually much bigger gains. Fraser is also listed on Coinbase. Mr. Miguel Ski Mask Dog, basically base meme coins. So yeah, I think TYBG will be listed. I don't know why the market cap is lower than the rest of these, because Jesse Pollack has been talking about TYBG multiple times. This is huge. Jesse Pollack is the creator, the founder of Base blockchain, the Base layer 2 that is basically funded by Coinbase. That's why this is a no-brainer for me. If you're talking about Solana meme coins, I am buying and holding right now these two, Ponkey and Fog. I think these are two great meme coins. I lost a bit of money in Fog because I bought right before the tariffs basically started a few days ago. So I am up on Ponkey today because I bought yesterday. So I am using Neo because you can set your auto sells. If it goes down by 10% or 20% or 50%, it is automatically selling. You can dollar cost average. You can auto buy. You can basically buy and sell in sleep. And you can set your own gas fees. So if there is a huge bull run and there are thousands of people buying at once, you want to set your gas fees higher so your transaction goes out faster than everyone else. And imagine if there is some Donald Trump like meme coin coming out and you are tracking here. You can also track tweets. And you're tracking, and as you see, he posts something. You basically go here, paste the contract address, and you buy instantly because you can set your gas fees. If you're buying on exchanges like Jupiter or Radium or with Phantom Wallet, there are times when the whole Solana chain gets basically congested and you cannot get your transactions through. But on Bullish, you can actually set your own gas fees. And I will show you here. Here, basically, you click on this gas priority fee. And here you can set your fees how high you want. Increase your slippage, even buy bribe, which is basically similar to gas fees. By priority fee, you set it higher, and your transaction will go through even faster than everyone else. And this will be really, really important when we approach a huge bull run, which will happen hopefully this year, hopefully next year. So yeah, you can also track wallets right here. So wallet tracker. I am tracking Ansem. I am tracking Dave Portnoy, Capsi. Where you can find wallets to track is here. Go on CallScan. On CallScan, you basically here you can see all the traders that are trading right now, all the transactions, and on the leaderboard we are seeing that people are making tens of thousands of dollars daily, multiple people, even in these garbage markets. But all these tariffs, these trade news are making basically creating a great memes. And if you are into meme coins and you understand what you do, you can make a lot of money. If you want to learn how to trade meme coins, there is this one guy which is basically making YouTube videos, live YouTube videos, how he's doing without any BS. This is Leans. So basically search Leans meme coin trading on YouTube. You will learn how to trade meme coins. And he's using Bullish. He's using all the platforms that are basically best platforms for trading meme coins and just trading Solana coins. And again, this is the Bullish is invite only. Invite link is in the description and in the comment section. This is basically free. All you need is an invite link and you can start using it. I'm using it daily because all of the features that you cannot access through Phantom Wallet or on Jupiter or Radium or any Solana exchange. And also you're qualifying for an airdrop by using and trading on Bullish. So you're basically ahead of hundreds of thousands of people. And again, if you get into a big bull market, you want to be basically familiar with these tools. And when the opportunities come, you are ready. And as you know, the crypto can go up in few weeks, few months. And it can also go down, as we all are already seeing. But still, my biggest buy is BaseGod, because I believe Coinbase listing will come soon. And looking at the fact that the tariff panic is basically winding down, Bitcoin is going up, there is a high chance Coinbase will restart announcing new assets on their roadmap. After that, listing them on Coinbase. That's why, again, really amazing times. I love the panic. I love the basically pumps. I love when we are either dumping or pumping. I don't like the stagnation because there's nothing happening in the stagnation. But right now, I love this market. Everyone is panicking. They don't understand what to do. I'm just enjoying this time. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.